Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to create custom components and build a responsive layout. In our previous video, we explained how to create the left sidebar step by step, including expanded and collapsed views, and drop-down menus for sub-menus. We have also shared other helpful videos, such as reusable buttons, search bar with search results, creating variables, and an animated top menu bar. If you missed any of our earlier videos, please check them out on the channel. Let's get started. You can see multiple elements on the screen. In this session, we will convert each of these elements into reusable components and assign them appropriate names. Once completed, all components will be available in the Assets panel, making them easy to access and manage throughout the design process. Let's begin by creating our first component. In the next step, create a frame and define its height and width. After that, open the Assets panel, search for the left menu bar component, and place it inside the frame. We have already published a separate video explaining how to create the left menu bar, so please refer to that tutorial for a step-by-step guide. Let's continue with the next part of the layout. Now, align the left menu bar and insert all the required components from the Assets panel into the frame. Next, add the header component, adjust its width, and apply the necessary icons. Then, select the header component along with the icon, right-click, and choose Add Auto Layout. Apply the same process to the remaining components to maintain consistency. Now, align the body background. Next, open the Assets panel, insert the body header background component, and finally, add a title to the body header. Next, align the launch pads, select them, and apply Auto Layout. Now insert the table content and repeat the same process. After that, move to the footer section. Align the footer panel, add the buttons, and place the copyright text. And that's it, your layout is perfectly structured and ready. Now select all the content on the right side and apply Auto Layout. Next, click on the main frame and add Auto Layout there too. After that, set the minimum width for the frame. This helps maintain a clean and responsive layout across different screen sizes. Double-click on the Launchpad Auto Layout and set the width to fill container. Repeat the same step for all other launchpads to maintain consistency. Now you can see that the menu Expand and Collapse is working properly, and the submenu dropdown is also functioning correctly. Let's go back to the editor. Once the full layout is completed, you can easily change the color of any component. And the best part is, that change will instantly apply to every screen where the component is used. This saves time and keeps your design consistent across the project. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.